guys, what is up? This is CMPS Films, and this is kind of a one-off episode on FIFA 13. I'm sorry about the trading episode, because it's like the web app's been out off for a few days, like maintenance and all that, and there's been problems, so it's been hard to actually start the second episode. But it's been up now, so I'll start it as soon as possible again. But this one's just a one-off episode. We were just checking on market, being a few mates on Skype, and we saw a Messi for 400k, the only one on there, and we couldn't pass up the offer, so we agreed to all give our coins to two of my friends so he could buy it, because he had the most coins, about 150k coins at the moment at that time, so we're better off just giving him all our coins so we can get it. He did manage getting it, you can see in the video, so it was really cool. We will get our coins back, we can trust him, but he will sell it for like over 1 million coins in the first week it comes out, so that's why we couldn't pass off that offer. So yeah, I don't know if it's like the first video for someone actually buying Messi, but I thought it was a really cool thing to do, so I thought I'd record it and show it to you guys. I hope you like it as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, bye.